Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial. Today I want to show you how to drag properly your alphas in 3D code because many people ask me, Daniel, how I can drag my alphas like zeros. And yeah, today is the day. Let's do this. The first step is to install the main folder containing your alphas in the iteration folder I showed you in the screen. Remember, the correct format of the alphas is JPEG and PNG because 3D Code don't read properly the Photoshop files. Now, you need bring on the alphas panel in the menu bar. Let's go Windows, Panels, and Brushes. When you have already the alphas panel, you can select the name of the folder and voila, you have already done the alphas library in the software. The correct tool for drag your alphas properly is one tool called Build Tool. You can check the voxels tools and select the tool. Now you can select any alpha you want. I want this. Now you press E key and select the stamp mode. In top of your mesh, you can drag with the stroke and select the size or the angle of the stroke. With Ctrl, you can invert the tool and subtract. For change the intensity of the stroke, you can go the depth panel and up and down the parameters. Correct way for drag your alphas in 3D code. Hope you like it guys, and don't forget joining my Discord channel for more future tutorials. Bye bye.